Live in HD from the station that brings you more West Texas news. News West 9 at 6 starts now.
The city of Midland is cracking down. This morning, city officials canvassed the tall city looking for water violators. And let me tell you, they found plenty of them, David.
That's right. Over the past week, Midland has gone over its water limit several times, even on those days when no one's supposed to be watering their lawns. Anayeli Ruiz shows you what city officials found today.
This morning, we were up before the sun. We tagged along with the Midland Code Enforcement for their first early morning water sweep to find out who was watering when they weren't supposed to.
Code enforcement went out to northwest Midland around 6 a.m. and we did just a water restrictions check in several subdivisions.
As soon as we broke from our quick briefing, we found some streets filled with water.
611, people are watering. There's a lot of water on the street.
And it wasn't long before we found our first water violator.
Well, it's 6:15 a.m. and as you can see, these people have been watering this morning. Now, this is only one of the few houses that we see that have watered, and nobody should be watering at this time.
We should not have had any watering this morning unless it was someone with a variance or watering from a water well.
But that wasn't the case. We found many homes like this one, and even this one, who have their water on full blast. Code enforcement tells me that the homeowners association, like the Grasslands, are common water violators. But once again, they were not following the rules this morning.
Well, some residents were trying to be sneaky and water their backyard. This one resident even watered the alley. He told code enforcement it was okay. He had a water well.
It still doesn't allow you to put inordinate amounts of water on the street and create nuisance water, and we will be taking action. You can water your property, but there should be no runoff that's leaving your property and causing problems down the street.
Today, code enforcement drove around numerous neighborhoods. In Grasslands and Grasslands West, they found 30 homes watering. In Green Tree, 58, Mockingbird Heights, 8, Great House had 29 homes, Holiday Hill Village and Los Patios had 30. In all, code enforcement issued 155 warnings.
It was a very productive day, and hopefully we can just get the people to comply. They've all been warned now, so another violation at that property means they can be issued a citation.
So if you're thinking of taking your chances and watering when you're not supposed to, watch out. You never know when code enforcement will be riding around in your neighborhood in the early morning hours. In Midland, Anayeli Ruiz, News West 9.